Hey guys, it's me Maddie. I'm here with another Halloween episode of Craftiness. Tonight I'm just going to be quickly putting together a loaded envelope. I've already pre-made most of it and pretty much this is just the assembly and me just talking through. So if you would like to see how it turns out, then just keep watching. Okay, so first I just want to show you the bag I'm using. These were a 2-pack at Target in their dollar section. This bag right here. The overall theme for this envelope and gift is candy. I love candy. I have a total candy sweet tooth. And I mean, isn't that one of the biggest parts of Halloween? Like candy? Yes. I already showed this clip art in my other haul. I'll link that down below. Basically, this is what the other side of the bag looks like. I kept this plain just because it's so cute. Little eek and all these different things. So this is from Target. I cut off the little bag strings right there. I have some American Crafts Halloween paper that I put right there, and these puffy stickers from Halloween, the dollar section at Target, also in my haul, and then these jewels from Joann's, and then this clip art. So I taped this part together, so here's a little pocket. I had custom made, who I'm giving this for, by the way, it's Sabrina here on YouTube. I'm sure most of you guys know her. She is the Halloween queen, crafty queen. Yes, honey. Like everyone knows her, I'm sure. I love her videos, been watching her for years. I just recently won one of her giveaways and I just wanted to give back, so I decided to make a envelope. Anyways, so I kind of did a little collage. This is just an envelope, but I made some custom Halloween address labels for her. I'm obviously not going to show them because they have her address on them. So yeah, I just want to show you the outside of the envelope. Use the sparkly paper, the clip art, American Crafts paper, and yeah, I thought that turned out super cute. Tell me what you guys think. So this isn't really gonna go in the envelope, but it will go in her package. Okay, so starting, I have these American Greetings stickers, and it just said American Greetings on the top, so I cut that off and put a little sparkly thing in here. I'm putting one sheet in. It came with 3, but I wanted to share. I'm keeping the other 2 for my October daily, but I wanted to share some with her. So I made it cute. So I'm gonna put that in there. Next off, I didn't cut out, I kind of blocked off and printed some of the clip art. I bought the clip art from Etsy, and I already got the okay from the artist to send some to my package, and so she was totally fine with it. Just small disclaimer. But here are some of the things that she'll be getting. I did not fussy cut them out because I am terrible at fussy cutting, so let's not even go there. Like, I can barely do this. Like, it's a good thing I'm not like super zoom because it's not pretty. Okay, but there we go. So that's gonna go in there. I'm gonna make sure that this is out a little bit. Next off, I got these really cute little bling stars that I hauled from Joann's. It's not really the candy theme, but I think she could use them, and they're just very cute, and I think she would appreciate them. I'm gonna put those bad boys in there. How's that looking? Coordinated. That's pretty much what I'm going for. Okay, and I'll show you guys these pictures. So this is from Hocus Pocus. I blinged it out with these little bejewels, and this cat reminds me of Binks, the cat. So yeah, and she has like a sucker or some kind of candy, so that fits with the theme. I love this glitter paper. Oh my goodness, it's like mesmerized me. It's from Recollections. So I'm gonna put that in there. Next, I think this movie's called Trick or Treat. I'm pretty sure. I don't know, it's kind of creepy, but it fit the candy theme because I found a picture of him with like a bitten off sucker, so we went with it. It says Trick or Treat. Sorry, that's the ice maker in the back. These foam dots. And last but not least, the poison apple from Snow White. If you don't know where this is from, you gotta watch some Disney movies. I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, so that's pretty much my envelope. And I'm just gonna kind of arrange it in there. But yeah, so that's the fully decorated envelope. What do you guys think? I love it. A couple more things that I am going to be including in her full package. I hauled this earlier. I'm going to show you again. This beautiful caramel apple lollipop. I'm almost 100% certain it's going to get broken in transit, but you know what? It's the thought that counts, and we'll see. Fingers crossed. Okay, last thing. And I don't think she follows my channel, so I don't think she's gonna see this video. Hopefully not. Maybe I should post it after, because I know she's gonna love this, and this is pretty much one of the main surprises. So I have a Cricut, and I bought an SVG file from Etsy, Darling Design Company. I will link it down below, but basically I made her this totally wicked Hocus Pocus t-shirt. I like the black flame candle. I know she's gonna love it because I've seen multiple videos. I know she's a Hocus Pocus queen, and yeah, I just know she's gonna love it. I bought this from Joann's. It's like the Cricut iron on vinyl, and also this cotton t-shirt from Joann's. So fingers crossed everything fits perfectly. I absolutely love how this came out. I highly recommend their SVG files. Everything worked great, and it was just super easy to make. All right, so that's pretty much it. Tell me what you guys think. Have you guys ever done a loaded envelope? If so, what theme, what projects you guys working on, or just tell me what you're up to today. I love the comments. I love responding and interacting with you guys, so let me know. I hope you guys have a great beginning Halloween season and a wonderful week. Talk to you later. Bye.